Righto, so the job we're going to tackle today is we're going to make a sand flag out of these items here. Less than $20 from Bunnings. Got a couple of 1 metre lengths of 15mm PVC pipe. We've got a high visibility flag, some connectors and some glue to hold it all together. A sand flag for crossing the Simpson has to be minimum of 300mm wide and a minimum of 290 high, which you can see there, we're all compliant. Now my antenna on the bull bar here is about 1 metre off the deck, so realistically all I need is something that goes about 2.5 metres over the top of that. So what I'm going to do is use the antenna, slip it over, and obviously I don't want to be carrying around 3.5 metres of PV or 2.5 metres of PVC in the back of the car, so I'm going to use these connectors here to join the two pieces. And I've also got this piece here, so when I slip it over, it's got a little collar on it. Righto, so I've got my glue now. A bit in there. Make sure she's in there nice and snug. On the other end. Put that connector. Again, making sure she's in there nice and snug. Next bit we're going to do is we're going to put this flag into this connector here, and that's going to screw on top of the pole. You can also just use this socket and hammer just to gently tap that through a bit. Okay, so now let's put this together. Look how got it. And that is the flag. As you can see, I'm at regulation height. There was never any doubt. Easy, job done. Flies here have to be seen to be believed. Here we are, Simpson ready. This flag standing tall there, tall and firm. Mine is probably going to break my antenna.